Hello everyone, for this discussion, we will be talking about traders of the Sulusi. See, this topic is one of thing and one of the topic is our basic education. So I just hope that you sit back, relax and enjoy watching and listening this humbling video. The Raiders of the Sulusi, produced by Oak Tree Films. Founded by si Hayrat Bani Kudilyi, CEO. I think one of thing you have to know is that these three entered the international marketing in 2003 and they are more to producing documentaries, education, film with film companies from different countries throughout the year. The historical documentary of the Sulusi is about the slave raiding activities perspected by Sama Balangingi, the Iranian under direction of the Sultanate of Sulu, which of the time headed by Tausug clan to make this documentary credible and liable authorities behind this documentary the authorities behind this documentary film. Use key and informant. The key informant this documentary films. We have Aisel D. Borja, Dr. Samuel Kitan, Dr. Barbara Andaya, Dr. Julius Bautista, Dr. Margarita D. Kuwangko, Mr. Hayman Abubakar. Key informants. First informants we have Aisel Gloria B. Entrada, art historian, was born on Zamboanga City. One of the most multiple thing regards to her bloodline. She is a 7th generation direct descendants of descent. Our second informant, Dr. Samuel Kung Tan, who is Saman Tausug Chinese Philippine born in Saitik, Sulu. He is the published author and served as chair of University of Philippines, Diliman. Department of History, he is authority of issue of moral history, arms, struggle, and many historical from the South. Our third informant, Dr. Halman Abubakar, who is the Tausug of the time. He is the counselor of Hulu Sulu and a member of educated Abubakan clan of Hulu. He share of sentiment of people Tausug and the moral community. He is general who resent their characterization. Our fourth informant, Dr. Barbara W. Andaya, a professor of Asian Study University of Hawaii and director of the Center of Southeast Asia Studies. Fifth informant, Dr. Julius Bautista, who finished paid in Australian National University Center for Asian Societies and Histories under the supervision of Dr. Leonardo Elito in 2004. And finally, we have Margarita Kuwangko, who finished paid in History University of Santo Tomas, USI win the research of the history of Sama or Samal in Hulu Archipelago. Let's start know the Raiders of the Sulusi. According to Samuel Kitan and other historians, these are three groups of people who are named Raiders of the Sulusi. First, one of the Tausug or this group people, a time will know to first warrior and had political power, while to Sama Balangingi, Iranian Ilianos, considered as to great marine force, maritime navigation, the Iranian Ilyanians were physically portrayed as merciless in this historical documentary film.